Hey y'all, it's immigration attorney Bianca Jordan from Brazen Legal, where I help my clients get legal status without leaving the United States. If you'd like to work with us on an immigration case, please give our office a call at 508-942-7497, or you can visit brazenlegal.com/contact to book a consultation today. This video is about some breaking news regarding TPS. The Department of Homeland Security just extended TPS for El Salvador, Haiti, Honduras, Nepal, Nicaragua, and Sudan until December 31st, 2022. This is because there are two cases pending from the Trump administration's attempt to terminate TPS for these countries. There are preliminary injunctions in these cases, so as long as these cases are still pending, people with TPS from these countries will continue to retain their status. So for people from El Salvador, Honduras, Nepal, Nicaragua, and Sudan, you don't have to do anything. You still retain your TPS status as long as you did not withdraw it and as long as you didn't lose it because you became ineligible. And you don't need to apply for a new work permit unless you want one that has the December 31st, 2022 date on it. Haiti is also included in this, even though the Department of Homeland Security redesignated TPS for Haiti a couple months ago. And Haiti is included in this because it is part of both the Ramos and the Saget case. So, in the event that TPS for Haiti ends before the lawsuits are resolved, people with TPS for Haiti would also continue to have their TPS status. However, people that have TPS for Haiti currently are strongly encouraged to reapply for TPS under the new designation that ends on February 3rd, 2023. I hope you found this video helpful. Please visit brazenlegal.com to learn more about me and my law firm and the work that I do for my clients. If you haven't already, please subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you don't miss the next breaking news video. And also be sure to follow me on Instagram at Brazen Lawyer, where I share behind the scenes on what's going on in my law firm and what I'm doing when I'm not busy lawyering for my clients. Thanks for watching.